Welcome to Investor Web, your go-to channel for all things investment. We're here to equip you with the knowledge and insights to navigate the complex labyrinth of investment opportunities. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into the investment pool, our channel is designed to be your compass, guiding you towards informed decisions and profitable outcomes. Our mission is simple: to distill the often intricate world of investment into easily digestible and actionable insights. We aim to be your reliable source of information, presenting a variety of investment strategies, discussing potential risks, and offering guidance on how to get started. We believe in the power of informed investing and the profound impact it can have on lives, so we encourage you to subscribe and stay tuned for our regular content. Today, we delve into the exciting and profitable world of real estate investment. Why should you consider investing in real estate? That's the question of the hour, isn't it? Let's delve into it. Imagine a world where your money isn't just sitting idly in a bank account. Instead, it's working tirelessly for you, day in and day out. That's the beauty of real estate investment. It's about making your money work for you. One of the key attractions of investing in real estate is the promise of financial security. You see, properties generally appreciate over time. Unlike certain stocks or bonds, the risk of your investment value dropping to zero is pretty much non-existent with real estate. An investment in bricks and mortar offers a sense of security that other types of investments simply cannot match. But it's not just about security, it's about generating a steady stream of income. Rental properties, for instance, can provide a consistent cash flow that is often higher than dividend yields from stock investments. Imagine having a tenant whose monthly rent covers your mortgage payment and then some. That's passive income in its finest form. And let's not forget about the tax benefits. Yes, you heard it right. Investing in real estate can provide numerous tax benefits, including deductions on mortgage interest, property taxes, and even certain travel expenses related to your investment. In some cases, investors can also benefit from depreciation, a tax break that allows you to recover the cost of an income-producing property through yearly tax deductions. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds great, but I'm not a real estate expert, and that's okay, you don't have to be. There are countless resources out there, from books to online courses and even seasoned real estate investors who offer their advice and insights. There's a wealth of knowledge waiting to be tapped. All you need is the curiosity and the drive to learn. In essence, real estate investment is about making money work for you. It's about creating a future where you're financially secure and where your investments generate a steady stream of passive income. Now, isn't that a future worth investing in? There are several strategies to make a profit in real estate. Firstly, let's delve into rental properties. By purchasing a property and renting it out, investors can earn a steady income stream. The pros of this strategy include passive income, potential for property appreciation, and tax benefits. However, being a landlord requires time and money. There can be costly repairs, problematic tenants, and periods of vacancy. Moving on, we have real estate investment trusts, or REITs. These are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate. They are a way for individuals to invest in large-scale income-producing real estate without having to buy an entire property. The benefits of REITs include regular income streams, diversification, and liquidity. Nevertheless, REITs also come with risks such as market volatility and lower growth potential compared to owning a property. Lastly, there's the strategy of flipping houses. This involves buying a property at a low price, renovating it, and selling it at a profit. The potential for high returns is a major draw for this strategy. However, house flipping isn't for the faint-hearted. It requires a deep understanding of the real estate market and renovation costs. Moreover, if the property doesn't sell quickly, the carrying costs can eat into profits. Each of these strategies carries its own set of benefits and risks. Rental properties can provide a steady income, but require time and money to manage. REITs offer a hands-off approach to real estate investment, but they're subject to market volatility. House flipping can yield high returns, but it's high risk and requires significant knowledge and experience. So how do you choose the right strategy? It boils down to your financial goals and risk tolerance. If you're looking for a steady income and don't mind being a landlord, rental properties could be your best bet. If you prefer a more passive investment or don't have a large amount of capital, REITs could be a good option. If you're not risk-averse and have the time, knowledge, and capital, flipping houses could be right up your alley. Choosing the right strategy depends largely on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Like any investment, real estate comes with its own set of risks and challenges. Let's get into it. First off, market fluctuations. The real estate market isn't a static entity. It ebbs and flows, influenced by a myriad of factors from the economy to local events. An area that's hot today may cool off tomorrow. Yes, it's true that historically real estate values tend to rise over the long term, but short-term dips can pose significant challenges, especially if you need to sell in a hurry. Then there's the issue of property management. This isn't just about fixing a leaky faucet or mowing the lawn. It's about dealing with tenants, vacancy periods, and sometimes even legal issues. If you're not up for the task, or if you're investing remotely, you might need to hire a property manager, and that's an additional expense to factor in. Speaking of expenses, let's talk about the unforeseen ones. When you buy a property, it's not just the purchase price you need to consider. There are closing costs, insurance, taxes, maintenance and repair costs, and possibly homeowner association fees. And let's not forget about those unexpected expenses that can crop up, like a broken HVAC system or a leaky roof. These can put a significant dent in your cash flow and your returns. Now, don't let these risks scare you away. They're merely challenges to be managed, and there are ways to mitigate them. For market fluctuations, thorough research and a long-term view can help. For property management issues, careful tenant screening and regular property inspections can go a long way. And for unforeseen expenses, having a solid contingency fund is crucial. So in the world of real estate investment, it's not just about spotting the opportunities, but also about understanding the risks. It's about being prepared, being proactive, and being resilient. It's about making informed decisions and planning for contingencies. Being aware of these risks allows you to make informed decisions and plan for contingencies. So you're interested in real estate investment. Where do you start? Well, the first step to launching your real estate investment journey is arming yourself with knowledge. Researching the market is an absolute must. Understand the current trends, what's driving them, and where potential opportunities lie. Knowledge is your best tool when it comes to making informed decisions. Next, let's talk about building a team. Real estate investment isn't a solitary endeavor. You'll need a solid team of professionals to assist you along the way. This can include real estate agents, lawyers, accountants, and property managers. Their expertise will prove invaluable. Now onto the subject of financing. Real estate investment requires capital. You'll need to secure financing to purchase properties. This could be through savings, loans, or even investors. It's crucial to have a clear understanding of your financial situation and what you can afford. Of course, there's due diligence. This is the process of thoroughly checking a property before buying it. It includes assessing the property's condition, its value, and any potential legal issues. Never skip this step. It can save you from making a costly mistake. Finally, patience. Real estate investment isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term commitment that requires patience and perseverance. Don't rush into purchases out of fear of missing out. Take your time. Make sure each investment aligns with your overall strategy and financial goals. So there you have it. Research the market, build a team, secure financing, conduct due diligence, and exercise patience. These are your first steps in real estate investment. It might seem daunting, but remember, every successful investor started somewhere. They faced the same questions and uncertainties that you might be facing right now. Remember, successful real estate investment is a marathon, not a sprint. So take your time, make informed decisions, and most importantly, enjoy the process, because you're not just investing in properties, you're investing in your future. Investing in real estate can be a rewarding journey. We've shed light on the reasons why real estate remains a cornerstone of wealth creation, its potential for consistent income generation, the prospect of asset appreciation, and the power of financial leverage make it an attractive investment avenue. We've delved into strategies outlining how you can make informed decisions, whether you're flipping houses, renting out properties, or investing in REITs. Yes, we have acknowledged the risks and challenges, but remember, every investment journey comes with its own set of hurdles. It's about learning, adapting, and growing. We've also outlined how you can get started. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Now it's your turn to take that step. Embrace the journey and let the world of real estate investment unfold before you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to InvestorWeb for more insightful investment advice. See you in the next video.